XploriLab is the software you can use with your XplorIS device, and it is an incredibly powerful software with a lot of different features within it. You have 6 total modules grouped into 3 different categories. We have our science modules, our engineering ones, and our art modules. Within the science category, you're going to find sensing and data logging. Now, sensing will give you in-the-moment readings on a variety of sensors using either gauges, pictographs, or bar graphs that update in real time according to what your sensors are doing. This is a really good environment for younger students or front-of-class demonstrations. The data logging module allows you to create graphs in real time of one or more sensors, and those graphs will build on the screen, as you can see here, as the data is collected. Now, when you are done generating your data, you are able to add a lot of information about your graphs, including markers, annotations, even statistical information like linear regressions, maximums, minimums, and so forth. So this is fantastic for math integration, as well as higher level experiments and data logging. Back from our home screen, we have our engineering modules, and these are sort of your code interfaces. We have code and control. Now, control is a more simplified interface where you can set up simple if-then statements that control the outputs on your XplorIS given various sensor inputs. The coding interface, on the other hand, is a full-powered Blockly or Python coding interface. So you have complete control over programming your XplorIS, whether that's driving it around like a robot or doing more advanced controls using logical statements, functions, repeats, and so forth. The last category of interfaces is the art interface. And within this one, you have animator and composer. Now, composer allows students to actually compose songs by selecting notes with different locations, different note lengths, and so forth. And so students can become their own musical composers and send their creations to their XplorIS. The last interface is the animator interface, where students get the chance to create graphics and even animations and send those to their XplorIS device using this very intuitive screen that corresponds to the pixel grid that they see on the screen of the XplorIS itself. So there you are. These are the 6 modules of XploriLab.